Okay, you guys, we were driving down the road and at Greasy Wrench Garage, complete auto repair. We saw this old Dodge. So I thought, well, there's some of you guys who really like these old cars and stuff, and we've been trying to get some of these. So I thought I'd video it because it's pretty cool. It says Dodge. If you know what year this is, please leave a remark in the comments below. That is one cool car. I'm thinking it's like in the 50s. I don't know. What do you think? Look at those. Those are those cool taillights. That bumper. Looks like they pulled it out of someone's backyard or something, or a barn. That's cool. Look at that steering wheel. That's cool. Well, if I can get that dash. It's hard to get it because the window's so dirty. You can't open it. Let me see. Yeah. I can't get it very good. Maybe I can get it here. Yeah. Get it a little bit better. That's so cool. Look at that window, how it wraps around like that. And the old rearview mirror. I remember these little wing windows when I was a kid. This is cool. That is a badass windshield. I like that. Look at that. This car is straight, you guys. It's got a little rust. Well, maybe a lot of rust, but it's pretty darn straight. It's got a lot of rust on the bottom, but someone that knows what they're doing could really fix this up. Make it a show car and sell it for a lot of money. Let's see, there you can get the dash better. Look at that, the blue wheel. And it says, oh, that's a Corvette. Here we get a better view of the back. Isn't that cool? Nice. This is a nice car. Look at that. I love that windshield and the rear window there. Alright, please like and subscribe. Please share my videos on your social media. That all helps my channel to grow, and we're still trying to get to 1,000. We are starting to make our designs for our merch, and we will be giving away merch from each design. And we've got 3 designs that we're working on right now, so there'll be 3 lucky subscribers who comment in my videos who will be picked to receive a free shirt and a drawing. Hopefully we'll have them done and ready by the time we hit 1,000, and we can do the giveaway then. And just a heads up, you guys, the floating doll, the real paranormal caught on tape doll that floats in my cousin's house, she has agreed to part with that doll. At 1,500 subscribers, we are going to auction that doll off. So start saving your money and getting ready for that big auction, because that's at 1,500 subscribers that we're going to do that. So get ready for that. Please like and subscribe. Please share. and have a great day, because you know you can. Peace.